Now, part three.
Okay.
In part three, I'm going to ask you a few questions about traditional handcrafts.
Okay.
Are traditional handicrafts important to tourism?
Yes, I
Why?
think it is really very important for the tourism, as the tourists like they often went to the countries, and people living in the specific countries used to represent their cultures, traditions, and festives associated with the specific things that are mainly known for the cities or countries. So Pakistan, including like Balochistan, KPK areas, which are mostly famous for the handcraft things and which engage the tourists a lot, as these things are very new for them to have a look on them.
What are the benefits for students to learn to make things by hand?
Well, it's a very interesting question. So can you please repeat?
What are the benefits for students to learn to make things by hand?
Okay, so talking about the benefits, there are plethora of benefits associated with the things made homemade, sorry, handmade, and this gets very benefit to the students, even as like in their early ages, if these things are taught in our school, in our curriculum system, which will help them a lot, because people moreover are moving towards the professions like doctors, engineers, and teachers, all that they don't even pursue going or doing for such things which represent our country itself. So I think that priority, like, and regarding our country, these things are very, very, very important.
Why do many children like to make things by hand?
I think people don't like to make things by their hand.
Why not?
It's just the source of a income, or even the like poverty countries, or even the less populated country, and even the countries don't having the jobs employment, they do pursue such things, because in order to like move into the race of this pa- fast paced country, they have to adopt such things to move or to accommodate in the life. So that's why.
How important are traditional handicrafts to a country's industry?
Okay, talking about the country's industry, I think they plays very important role.
Mhm.
But as they play very important role, I told you now, but they are not given such importance, because the industry owners, they give them a very less pay or a less fee to those who like construct and build such handmade things. So I think that the industry owners must like pay even a 50% of what they have made, because it costs many, and even you can say like very time as well. So that's why.
Is it reasonable to charge a high price for handmade things?
No, it
Why not?
you cannot charge like a very high price, because people don't often buy such things. So I think an average price goes for it, which is perfectly fine. So yes.
My last question is, how does modern technology change the handicraft industry?
Okay, modern technology have changed the industry a lot. Like it's a huge difference. Like people in today world and across the globe, they are not like buying such things, and like the as the technology has been moved, like more innovations have came into our world. So people, rather than buying such things, they prefer to use like the jewelries made with like gold, diamonds, and such things. So I think people have a very less interest nowadays in such things.
Good. Thank you so much. That is the end of your speaking practice test. Wish you good luck.
Thank you.